Hey everyone! Welcome to Praisetech Studios. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Roman numerals I, and I for your introductory pages and normal numbers 1, 2, 3 for your main content in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for formatting thesis, reports, and academic work. Let's fix those page numbers. Place your cursor at the beginning of your main content, usually right before chapter 1 or the first page of your main body. Go to the Layout tab, click on Breaks, then select Next Page under the Section Breaks category. This separates the intro pages from the rest so we can apply different page number formats. Click anywhere in the first section, before the section break. Go to Insert Page Number, choose your position, we will choose bottom. Then again, go to Page Number, then to Format Page Numbers. Change the number format to Roman numerals and set it to start at I, then click OK. Go to the main content section, after the section break. Insert the page number again from the Insert Page Number menu. Go to Format Page Numbers, choose Arabic, 1, 2, 3, and set it to start at 1. That's it. You've now got clean and professional page numbering. Roman numerals for the beginning, and normal numbers for the rest. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone working on their thesis or report. Thanks for watching Praisetech Studios. I'm Douglas.